Something we'd also like to tell you about is the fact that the iBooks app actually allows you to store other documents than just books. You can store PDFs, which means if you have a whole bunch of PDFs that you're actually using as resources, or perhaps your students have submitted PDFs to you as assignments, you can store them in your iBooks app. As a default, iBooks gives you two collections to store your documents. And if you have a look in the top left corner, you can tap on the Collections button, and there you'll see the two standard bookshelves. Now I've got some books on my bookshelf, but if I tap on PDFs, it will actually take me to the PDFs bookshelf, and you can see that I've actually got some PDFs already sitting there. But what if I actually wanted to make some new bookshelves for my different subjects? Well, let's tap on Collections again and tap on New. And it's as simple as typing in the name. So I'm going to call this one Stage 6 D&T. There we go. And then all I need to do is tap Done. The bookshelf is created. Now if I go to that bookshelf, you'll see that there's, well, no surprises, nothing there. So the next question is, how do I actually get documents to the iBooks bookshelf for Stage 6 D&T? Well, let's just imagine that those documents happen to be in a Dropbox folder on my iPad called Stage 6 D&T, because that's where I know that they are. Let's go to that folder now and have a look. I'll just change over to the Dropbox app, and there it is. And there are my three files, and these are three files that obviously I'd had prepared from earlier. So you can see I've got three files on the left-hand side, and the first one is being previewed. Now over on the top right-hand side of Dropbox, you'll see that there's an arrow that is pointing down. That arrow, if I tap on that, gives me an option to open in. And there it is. There's the Open in iBooks option straight away. If I tap on that, it'll take me straight back to the iBooks application. Now, interestingly enough though, it's important to have a look at where this PDF has been opened. So if I just tap on Library, you'll see that the document has been imported straight back into the PDFs bookshelf. And that's no surprise because iBooks has recognized that as a PDF. So if we then tap on Edit, I can then select that particular PDF which I just imported, and then in the top left I can press Move and then select Stage 6 D&T, and you can see that the PDF has moved there. And now I have one PDF for Stage 6 D&T on my iBooks shelf for Stage 6 D&T. Seems to make sense. So I can do that with the other two remaining PDFs. Let's go back. Let's grab the second one. Top right hand side, open in iBooks, takes me straight back to the PDFs bookshelf. And now I can hit Edit, select the PDF, tap Move, and select Stage 6 D&T. The PDF moves, and now I've got two there. So you can actually create as many bookshelves as you like for all of your different PDF documents. The other cool thing that you can do as well is if you tap on Collections and then press Edit, you'll notice that there are these three little bars on the right hand side of each bookshelf name. If you grab those three bars, you can actually move your bookshelf around so that you can start to prioritize some of your bookshelves. And that's if you've got a whole bunch of them and you want to change the order. But in this case, we'll leave them exactly as they are. And that's a very quick introduction as to how to store PDF documents in your iBooks app on your iPad.